Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is April 21st, 2015. We're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are trading higher again this morning by $8.50 to $20.99.5 per contract. So we're getting right to that 2100 psychological level. We'll see if markets can get over that today, or do the markets pull back again. Yesterday, the markets did carve out a pretty nice trading day. The volume was a little on the lighter side, but nonetheless, the markets did recoup much, or I should say a lot, of Friday's losses. So we'll see where this goes today. But in the meantime, there are a lot of stocks out here in the news, and let's get into some of them. That's where the money should be made. I'm going to start off with Lam ResearchLRCX is the ticker symbol, and this stock is flying high. Right now it's trading at $80.50. I will have some gap levels for this equity. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat at 9 a.m. So come on over, take a 7-day free trial. You get all of the morning gap plays. They're posted up each and every morning right at 9 a.m. So right now when I look at Lam Research, this thing is off to the races. Stock closed at $71.99 yesterday. It is now trading above $80. That's a tremendous move. But like I said, we will have resistance points for this one. We will be playing Lam Research this morning. Let's take a look at DuPont. I believe they reported earnings as well. The stock's been all over the map. Looks like right now it's trading at $73.08. It closed at $72.84 yesterday. So again, hard to make too much out of this one. But all in all, we'll see where this goes. A level I do like for DuPont today, by some chance, if you do get a big sell-off, would be around the $68.50 level. So keep that on the radar. I'm not sure it gets down there, but if it does, we would look to scoop that up right down there. Let's take a look at ARMH, which is ARMH, which is a semiconductor play. Stock had a pretty big gap up, but it has started to fade. Right now it's trading at $53.28. It closed yesterday at $51.35. So we'll give this the benefit of the doubt. There's a lot of resistance here at $53.50. If it does get through here, though, it has upside to $56. I'm not sure that's going to happen, but this stock will be on our radar this morning once the opening bell rings. If you want to come over and trade these equities with us, come on and take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we're doing. Let's take a look at SAP. This is Oracle's biggest competitor. Right here, you're going to see the stock is trading nicely higher. Right now at $73.92. It closed at $72.31. So this has a good little pop to it. A level I think traders should watch off the bat for resistance, though, is going to be around $75.50. $75.40. There should be a fair amount of resistance there. I will have some levels for this one in the intraday stock chat as well. Even though it's not a huge gap, I do see some good resistance levels, and that's really all we need to make money. So again, come on over, take a 7-day free trial. You'll see all of the gap levels posted. Let's take a look at Verizon this morning. They reported earnings as well. The stock is trading at $49.44. This is basically where it closed yesterday. I actually like the bigger time frame chart on Verizon. So if it does rally up, it can go to $51. If it does sell off, you'll find good support at around $47. So that's kind of where it is. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Under Armour. This is soon becoming Nike's biggest opponent. You're going to see Under Armour right now is trading a little bit lower from yesterday's close. I have gap levels done already for this one. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock. Let's take a look at IBM. So Big Blue reporting earnings as well. Stock closed strongly yesterday at $166.16. Today it's trading at $164.72. I have a hard time with this stock right now, thinking where it could go or where it could fall. If it does decline, you'll have some support at $157.80. If it rallies, you have a ton of resistance at $168. So that's kind of where we are with this one. Let's take a look at UTX, which is United Technologies. Stock right now is trading at $118 and a penny. Closed at $116.51. So a good little move there, but there is a fair amount of resistance right at this 118 level. If the stock really got motoring today, your max move upside would be around $121.63. So I don't see the stock getting above there. But right now you do have resistance right at this 118 level. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. TRV, which is Travelers Insurance. This stock is trading at 104.81, closed at 106.14. There's not much I'm seeing here for travelers. So again, it's usually not a big mover, but the only level I really like the stock would be around the 97, 96.85 level. I don't see it getting down there, but hey, in due time, maybe it will. Let's take a look at HOG, which is Harley-Davidson. This one was a tough one for me to find a gap level for this morning, so I'm still in search of it, but I do have a level worked out for Harley-Davidson that you do want to know about, and that would be around 54.75. There could be a little bit of a bounce level there. Keep that on the radar, 54.75 for Harley-Davidson. Let's take a look at Regions Financial. Ticker symbol is RF. This is a regional bank. Right now the stock is trading at 9.66, closed at 9.59. One level I'm seeing right off the bat, if it does rally, would be around $10.20, maybe 10 and a quarter. There'll be a ton of resistance there. If it does fall, you'll have a little bit of support at 9 and a quarter. So keep that on the radar. Another level of support would be around 8.55. So I'm really unsure where this one is going to go right now, but we'll keep it on the radar. Let's take a look at FTNT. This is Fortinet. Stock, I believe, is trading at a new all-time high, but I don't see it really going much higher than here. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. You do not want to be a buyer up here, but if you own it, you want to take advantage of it, let it go higher. Now, there is a avian bird flu out there, and it's attacking a lot of these chicken farms. Tyson Foods is one stock under a little bit of pressure today. Stock is trading at 38.20. Level I like for Tyson would be around 36.20. So keep this on the radar. I don't see anything to do right here, but this stock could be under pressure depending on how bad that bird flu is. Pilgrim Pride could be another one, ticker symbol PPC. This is trading a little bit lower. I don't really have a good level on this one yet, but I'll be looking. And then you have Sanmina Farms, SANM, egg producer. This is trading around 21.10. I like the 2070 level for this one, so keep that on the radar as well. I don't know if it gets there, but we're not that far off. 2070, 2065, there's pretty good support there. You also have a little bit more support around 2020. So there's definitely going to be some plays here on these chicken producers and egg producers due to this avian flu. So just keep these stocks on your radar. All right, let's shift over to gold. Gold is up $5.20 to $1,199 an ounce. Let's take a look at the GLD this morning. That's trading back above the 115 level. Again, gold has really just been very, very choppy. It's been somewhat of a tougher trade, so you want to be a little bit careful with it in the near term. Let's take a look at the oil market. Crude futures are trading down about 15 cents to $57.73 an ounce. Nothing terrible in crude. If you take a look at the USO here, it's really just chopping and slopping around in the same place where it's closed. So while I think crude is going to have a hard time going higher from here, if the US dollar index does pull back, crude could get a little bit of a bid, so keep that on the radar today. All in all, futures are up 9 points. Pretty good move this morning before the opening bell, but believe it or not, they were much higher around 3 o'clock in the morning. So take that into account. We'll see where this market goes, but we have plenty of stocks out here to make money with today, and really that's all that matters. We don't care about the news. We only care about where the equities are going, the money flow into them and out of them. That's what makes us money as traders. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.